Good morning student. Today we will do our next chapter linear equation in one variable. See, some terms are there. First we will define them. First is that algebraic expression, an expression that contains number, operation and one or more variable, that is called an algebraic expression. Like I am writing some example, 2x plus 3, 3xy minus 4. They all are algebraic expression because they are containing the numbers, variables and operation. Like operation means plus, minus, multiply or divide. That is called algebraic expression. Next is the term. Part of an expression separated by plus or minus sign, that are called term. Like here that 2x is term and 3 is also term. It is called variable term and that is called constant term because it contains only numbers. Here also 3xy and minus 4 are terms. Next is the coefficient, numerical factor of a term that contains a variable. Like suppose that is a term that contains a variable x. So its coefficient will be 2. Its coefficient will be 2. Here that coefficient of xy will be 3. Coefficient of xy will be 3. xy का जो coefficient होगा वो कितना होगा 3 होगा. But if they will ask for the coefficient of x, then it will be 3y, and they will ask the coefficient of y, then it will be 3x. Here for x it will be 2. Now variable, you know that the variable is made from of two words, vary plus able. Vary means change and able means able to do that. That mostly represented by alphabet or letter. As the name suggests, it can change its value 1 to more. Like you can write that x, y, any number any symbol you will take that mostly represented by alphabets, that can be called. Like you can see that formula is there, 4 into side is equals to perimeter of square. As you know that all the squares have not equal sides, so here the side is a variable. Here also the perimeter will also be a variable because it will change, then side will change, then perimeter will also be changed. Now constant symbol having fixed value, that are called constant. Like here minus 4 constant, 3 constant, 2 constant. Any numbers that are there like natural number, rational number, that are all are 5, minus 6, minus 3 upon 5, that all are constant. Next is the equation. What is an equation? An algebraic expression contains equal sign. अगर हम उसमें equal sign को add कर दें, then it's called equation. Until the equal sign is not there, it is not called equation. Like 2x plus 3. If I will write 2x plus 3 is equals to 4, then it becomes equation. Same here 3xy minus 4. If I will write is equals to 7, then it will again become equation. It means an equation can have two sides. In left hand side of the equal sign, that is called left hand side, LHS. Right hand side of the equal sign, that is called RHS. Next is here, what is linear equation? Highest power of variable is equals to 1. When the highest power of variable is equal to 1, then it's called linear equation. Like here 2x plus 3 is equals to 4 is a linear equation, but 3x minus 4 is not a linear equation because here the power of variable in a term becomes 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So it is not a linear equation. Next is there linear equation in one variable. When a linear equation contains only one variable, then it's called linear equation in one variable. Like here I have written that 2x plus 3 is equals to 4. That is linear equation in one variable. I am giving in one example, 3x plus 5y is equals to 7. That is also linear equation, but it contains two variables. Here we will study only that linear equation with one variable. Like 2x plus 3 is equals to 4. Now solution. What is the solution? Value of the variable that satisfy the equation. वेरिएबल की ऐसी वैल्यू जो इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन. लाइक हियर इफ यू विल पुट x is equals to 1, then it becomes 5 into 1 minus 3, which is equals to 5 into 1 5. Left hand side is that 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. So it is satisfying that one, that because 2 is also equals to right hand side. So x is equals to 1 is the solution of the equation. Next we will start. Some rules are there how we will find out the solution, how we will solve the equation. The rule number 1 suggests that if same mathematical operation plus minus multiply or divide performed on both sides, means हमें दोनों साइड उसी को परफॉर्म करना है, sides of equation, balance will not disturbed, balance will not disturbed, it will always remain left hand side is equals to right hand side. Here we will see x plus 2 is equals to 7. Here if we will add that one both side, sorry, subtract that one 2 in both side, x plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 7 minus 2. हमने क्या किया, दोनों साइड क्या किया, सेम नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया, तो हमारा बैलेंस जो डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा. तो x plus 2 minus 2 will become x and 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. So that is the solution of the equation. Here we will see the next example based on addition. Now p minus 5 is there. Here we will add 5 in both the sides. P minus 5 plus 5. To remove that 5 is equal to 4 plus 5. Here it will become p. Here it will become 4 plus 5, 9. Now we will see based on division. 3m divided by 3 is equals to 12 divided by 3, because both sides we have to divide by 3. So the balance will not disturb. It will become m. It is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. One more example we will see, y upon 6 is equals to 4. It is based on divide is there 6, so multiply by 6. So it will become y upon 6 multiply by 6 is equals to 4 multiply by 6. If we will cancel out that, it becomes y is equals to 4 into 6, 24. The rule number 2 is transposition method or transposition. If we transpose a term, means transpose means one side to another side, like left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, a term or part of a term, its sign will change. Its sign will change, like plus will change into minus, minus will change into plus, multiply will change into divide, and divide will change into multiply, and balance will not be disturbed, and balance will not be disturbed. One example I am seeing, going to explain you, like 2y plus 9 is equals to 4. एक एग्जाम्पल है, 2y plus 9 कितना हमारा 4 है. इसे हम ट्रांसपोजिशन मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे. 2y is equals to 4 minus 9, because if you will transpose that, it becomes plus 9 to minus 9. It is equals to 2y is equals to 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 5. Now we have to solve that one. We have to remove that 2 also. If 2 is in here in multiply, so it will be in divide in the next side, minus 5 upon 2. So the solution of the equation is y is equals to minus 5 upon 2. Remember that variable on one side only. Like here is the variable is only on one side, left hand side, and the constant is the other side, right hand side. That is called solution of that one. Next we will see some more example. Like next I have taken x upon 3 plus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 3 upon 2. So first we will transpose this in that side. It becomes x upon 3 is equals to minus 3 upon 2 minus 5 upon, because plus will change into minus, minus 5 upon 2, it is equals to minus 8 upon 2, which is equals to minus 4, because 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Now 3 is in divide, it will be multiply, x is equals to minus 4 multiply by 3, which is equals to minus 12. So what is the solution of the equation? X is equals to minus 12. Easily you can understand that transposition method, not typical one. Next is there, the last one I told you that earlier, that trial and error method which you have studied in class 7th and 6th also. Yes, that is also easier. Like example I have taken that 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. Here the left hand side is 2x minus 3 and right hand side is 7. How? Now we will try and put some value and find out that which one is correct by comparison. There are make some column for that. Value of x, second is left hand side, third is right hand side, fourth is comparison between the left hand side and right hand side, and solution. Solution means if the left hand side is equal to right hand side, that will be the solution of the equation. Now see that 2x minus 3. First I am taking that value of x is equals to, as it is 7. So I am starting from that one, like start for that 1, it will become 2 minus 3. 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. Right hand side is 7 minus 1 is not equal to 7. So solution will not be there. Next is there 2. 2 into 2 minus 3, which is equals to 1. Here is 7. 1 is also not equal to 7. Same when we will take x is equals to 3. 2 into 3 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. 3 is also not equal to 7. When we will take 4, 2 into 4 minus 3 is equals to 5, 7. 5 is also not equal to 7. Next we will take 5, 2 into 5 minus 3 which is equals to 7. Here is also equals 7 is equals to 7. So the solution is x is equals to 5. Thank you. Do the given exercise 2.1.